Is Moringa really a monster for men's health? 7. Big benefits of Moringa for males. Moringa, the mysterious superfood that is loved by vegans, athletes, and health aficionados as a complete source of protein, and the most nutritious food in the world. We've heard that Moringa is the never-die tree, the miracle tree, that can heal 300 diseases. But many skeptical guys are still asking, what can the tiny leaves of Moringa really do for men's health? Though we've heard a lot about what Moringa can do for women, and even pregnant and breastfeeding women. Today we're going to look into Moringa benefits for men that are backed up by all the current research. 1. Prostate health. As a man gets older, he tends to worry about his prostate, and for good reason. Approximately 35,000 men a year die of prostate problems, and roughly 6 times as many actually die with a diagnosis of prostate cancer. Moringa seeds and leaves contain sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolate, which may have anti-cancer properties. Test tube studies suggest that glucosinolates from Moringa seeds can inhibit the growth of human prostate cancer cells. Additionally, Moringa may help prevent benign prostate hyperplasia, BPH, a condition characterized by prostate enlargement that can make urination difficult. 2. Erectile function. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection for satisfactory sexual activity. Moringa's potential benefits for ED are related to its ability to improve blood flow. High blood pressure, high fat levels in the blood, and conditions like diabetes can contribute to ED, and Moringa can help all of that get going in the right direction. 3. Energy and stamina. Moringa's nutrient density and antioxidants can enhance overall energy levels and stamina. Moringa leaves provide sustained energy without the crashes associated with some synthetic supplements. 3. Muscle building and recovery. Moringa's protein content, amino acids, and anti-inflammatory properties support muscle growth and recovery. Moringa leaf powder can also be beneficial for men engaged in physical activities or strength training. 5. Heart health. Moringa helps maintain healthy blood circulation and supports cardiovascular health. Its antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of heart-related issues. 6. Mood enhancement. Feeling down? Moringa's nutrients, including vitamins B6 and B12, contribute to better mood and mental well-being. 7. Prostate-specific antigen or PSA levels. Moringa may help regulate PSA levels, which can be an indicator of prostate health. Getting those lower PSA levels are generally desirable. It's really no surprise that a plant like Moringa, so famous for its vitamins and minerals, would give men what they need for optimum health. But being all parts of the Moringa tree are usable, what part of the Moringa tree works best for men? Moringa leaves have proved through the centuries that they are indeed the nutritional powerhouses of the Moringa oleifera tree. Here's why they're considered the most nutritious part: rich in essential nutrients. Moringa leaves are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of fresh, chopped Moringa leaves, 21 grams, contains protein, 2 grams, vitamin B6, 19% of the recommended daily allowance, RDA, vitamin C, 12% of the RDA, iron, 11% of the RDA, riboflavin, B2, 11% of the RDA, vitamin A from beta-carotene, 9% of the RDA, magnesium, 8% of the RDA. Antioxidant power. Moringa leaves are rich in antioxidants which combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Isothiocyanates for health. Among the many bioactive compounds in Moringa leaves, isothiocyanates stand out. Isothiocyanates have anti-carcinogenic and antibiotic properties. They contribute to overall health and may help prevent certain diseases. Vitamin C boost. While other parts of the tree, like the pods, have their merits, Moringa leaves are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, with vitamin C being particularly good at protecting your cells against the effects of free radicals. Molecules produced when your body breaks down food or is exposed to tobacco, smoke and radiation from the sun, X-rays or other sources. Men would do well to take advantage of Moringa leaf powder's benefits to safeguard against these stresses. So now that you know the secret of Moringa manliness, are you ready to take part in this and all the other health benefits of Moringa oleifera? If you don't have access to this tropical tree, no worries. We here in Coconut Country Living have been able to lock this precious protein for our customers in our resealable mylar foil bags, and we are hearing results like this. From Donnie. I don't know what other people use this for, but I bought it to help my pineal gland, and as a great side effect, it calms me, and I have an anxiety disorder, so this is great. I will buy more in the future, thank you. From Will. I have ordered numerous packages of Moringa from this company, and I will continue to do so. Before I started taking this Moringa, I had terrible stomach problems. Really bad pains in my stomach, and am stubborn and didn't go to the doctor for the pain. Since starting Moringa, I'm pretty much stomach pain-free and can eat whatever I want without pain. I feel so much better. From Mike. My wife told me about this Moringa leaf powder, so I reluctantly ordered it. I have arthritis in my hands and really bad in my knee, which my doctor told me to use a knee brace. I have sciatica in my left side, and an MRI diagnosed me with a few bulging discs with much arthritic pain while barely bending over slightly for a minute or so. From Joey. I bought this to put in my morning smoothie for extra nutritional value. It gives me an energy boost to start off my day right. I recommend making a smoothie out of this. My simple smoothie recipe is a scoop of Moringa powder, a banana, some water, and then blend until smooth. This Moringa powder color looks brighter and tastes fresher than other brands I bought. I feel healthier taking this superfood powder, and I will definitely buy it again. From an Amazon customer. It's been about 2 weeks now since I have been taking the Moringa leaf powder, and my hands have much more painless movements. I don't feel the need for the knee brace while on the treadmill since there is no knee pain anymore. I can bend over for a good while without pain in my back. I don't even feel the sciatica pain now. I sleep better, and I notice that I don't have to get up at night to go to the bathroom multiple times. Being a skeptic about these types of products have given me a new outlook of natural products like this Moringa powder. From another Amazon customer. I bought this a few months ago, hoping it would help with my joint pain. I started taking it, and it took a few weeks, but all I have to say is, wow, I haven't felt this good in a long time. I would recommend this for anyone trying to relieve joint pain. From LM, everyone in the family now takes Moringa daily, including our dogs. The scientific research on Moringa oleifera is extremely impressive, but seeing is believing, and I've watched my family and several friends that I've sent this product link to show very beneficial results. It's a keeper! While we love to hear from our customers about their own Moringa miracles, we'd also love to hear from you, with documentaries on YouTube about its benefits getting millions of views. We don't want you to miss out, so what are you waiting for? Pick up any size Moringa today so you can get the Moringa oleifera health benefits that have been proven by hundreds of peer-reviewed studies. And to help you get started, you'll get our free ebook of all the Moringa hacks by best-selling author Michael DeSalvo. So you can take advantage of the same Moringa benefits for men that are changing people's lives every day. Whether you are interested in Moringa leaf powder to get over a condition, or simply to take your health to the next level, pick up this special in our Superfood store with coupon code SUPFOOD1 at checkout. Just go to Amazon or visit us at store.coconutcountryliving.com, and we will see you in Coconut Country.